Hi. Let's see how to set up AI chatbots for a real estate brand without any computer coding. Go to the Gallabox dashboard and click on Bots. Then, click on Bot Templates. You will find multiple bot templates catering to different industries. These templates have been carefully crafted based on numerous conversations with our top clients. Multiple bots have been built to simulate frequently dealt with use cases. Let's click on Real Estate and launch a bot. I chose the Property Finder bot, whose purpose is to generate and qualify leads. Click on the Select a Bot drop-down. Here, you define the bot's purpose. You can either create your own bot or append it to an existing one. Then, you can deploy it and go to the flow. You can either select an existing flow or create a new one by clicking on Add New Flow and AI Agent. Then, select the AI agent you want from the existing list or build one from scratch. You can build different bots, like a search, inquiry, support, or onboarding assistant. Enter the flow name. We have already selected the flow type as AI flow. Then, enter when you want the flow to be triggered. I select for specific keywords. This is going to be an appointment scheduler bot, so I enter the keyword site visit. You can also add custom drop-off messages and set when the drop-off message must be triggered. Then, click on Create. Enter the role of the bot, that is, what the bot is supposed to do. I give the bot all details it needs to serve the customer. Then, enter the goal of the bot. Finally, you can also give further instructions to the bot to train it. You can set actions like assigning the user to a particular agent or getting the current date and time, or even do API calls. Once the role, goal, and instructions are entered, select Save Changes. Then, you can publish the bot and test it. You can either scan the code to test it on your mobile, or use WhatsApp Web. I choose WhatsApp Web to test the chatbot. Notice how the keyword site visit is added to the chat by default. Click on Send to initiate the bot. You can ask the bot any question. I have asked for properties in Bangalore, and it responds with the information it has been programmed to provide. Now, I enter my preferred date and time. Since one of its goals is to schedule the visit, it responds accordingly. Even if I ask about something for which I have not given instructions, the bot smartly understands the context and provides relevant information. How cool is that? And finally, it responds with the most courteous sign-off. And this is how you build smart AI chatbots for real estate without any coding knowledge. I hope this video helped you learn more about AI chatbots for real estate. To build your own bot, sign up at Gallabox.com. For more such helpful content, subscribe to Gallabox's YouTube channel.